So, in a Machloket, it seems like maybe one opinion would be right and one opinion would be wrong. So, what's the point of studying it? But I think that that's actually a really important idea about just like life in general, which I think is kind of what Judaism is trying to tell us all the time. But it's basically that just because you get to a final point doesn't mean that the process was not equally or perhaps even more important. The debate in coming to a conclusion about something within halacha or even in a secular realm, I think can be more influential and eye-opening than anything else. Also, we have this idea of Shivim Panim Torah, 70 faces of Torah, which is basically saying that while we have this one final or this one like ideal way of how to practice Judaism, there's so many ways to understand that ideal. Also, there's the idea that Hillel and Shammai had these, countless amounts of debates, and we almost always side with Hillel. But then we say that in Yemei HaMashiach, maybe we'll switch over to the side of Shammai. So it's showing that, on the one hand, the ideas can switch. So that's why it might be important to understand the other side because we may follow it at one point. Another is that perhaps it's not actually wrong. It's another way of doing it that we've decided might not be the ideal at this point, but could perhaps still have a lot of value. And thirdly, it's that we give credence to the idea that the process is just as important, if not perhaps even more important, than the result. Thank you.